human! It's a Monday! Yay! Alrighty, humans, let's go to work. I am usually super excited to go start off my day, and on this day I had a lot to do as usual. Then I also had a mentoring session with Miss Vanessa. Done with that. Let's go back to the desk. I had a lot to do and it was time to go home. Hey, human! It's a Tuesday. Let's go to work. Where's work? Here? Here? I don't know. Let's go. Put in some work. I stopped at the cafeteria to get in some items sorted. So I came to see this darling.
Hi. How is it that I have open teeth now?
You've always had it.
I didn't know.
It comes with age. And that's her daughter.
She's copying.
Please look for trouble because we have a lawyer.
Please don't look for trouble. She's doing. I'm good.
She's my darling.
She's the world only Evie.
I was waiting to hear what that is. She's in charge of art. All those fine arts that they're showing me. She's in charge.
The creativity hub.
And there you have it. Please like this video, leave me a comment. You should check this out because after work I created this content, and let's go to work again. Hey human! It's Wednesday, and trust me, some days are like this. Not every day is smooth. Some days, even when I get 6 to 7 hours of sleep, I wake up and I am just like this. That's because I wake up pretty early, and as I get older, I think I am not a morning person at all. I just want to sleep more. But hey, when you sleep more, who suffers? You. You suffer. Let's go get the cha-ching. Alright guys, enough. Let's go to work. My job involves a lot of verifications, cross-checking approvals, and so much more. I love it. I got the privilege of talking to Elementary Cooking Club, and we had so much fun understanding the basics of cooking. Hey human! It is Thursday and we are going to work. What do I have to do today? Can you guess in the comment section? A lot! Alrighty guys, let's go. It is so cloudy, it's about to rain. Let me show you. Well, it eventually did not rain. And it was to my Thursday duty. I took the prayer for that day and I went back to my desk to work, and Some people genuinely look forward to going to work every morning, while others count down the hours until the weekend. I love to go to work. Now, the answer lies in the connection between passion, purpose, and a positive work environment, which I happen to have. I came to the cafeteria to do some work. They had music going on, so I had to mute my initial speech. That is done, and we are going back to the desk again. Whew. I am tired already, very, very tired already, but it's a good, quiet day, so I am going to have to put in a lot of work. This day was particularly a very, very busy day. I had meetings and it was really, really productive. I say passion drives me. I got back home, I had to formulate a face wash, and that's basically my life. Look at what I made out of this.
Some of the measures are supposed to stop your randomly.
Hey human, it's a Friday and we're happy, excited, alive, and going to work. Alrighty guys, let's see what today holds for us. Let's do this. Again. Alright. Let's do this. Looking forward to going to work is an achievable reality. So from one meeting, and then we had staff training, and it was back to my desk again to do some more work that I absolutely love. And guess what? You thought I wasn't gonna give you a show? Who am I not to show off my Friday attire? I absolutely love to give you a fashion show at the end of my week. I hope you have had an absolutely beautiful week. And if you haven't, put a smile on your face, cheer up, and plan to have a better week next time. How about that? Can you give that a try? And let's twirl again. Alrighty guys, just enjoy this. Well, that is all I have for you today. I have had an extremely stressful day today. Stressful, busy. I barely had any food today, but my makeup looks good. Please like this video. Let me know in the comment section what you thought about this vlog. And is there anything specifically you would like to see me vlog about? Let me know in the comment section. I guess I'll see you in my next video.